Greetings! In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to quickly create an email template in Microsoft Outlook. In that way, you will be able to save more of your precious time and effort, as well as make your work more productive and organized. So, say you have got a repetitive email with the same or similar recipients list and content that must be sent on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. To automate this process, you can create an email template which can be saved to your computer, then be adjusted if needed, and sent afterwards. To begin, click on New Email in your Outlook Home tab, or press Ctrl together with N to open New Email window. There, you can start filling in the recipient contact details, CC field if needed, subject line, and email content itself. Let's put something like, "Hello all, please see attached weekly report with latest sales figures." Once you have completed this step, go to File menu and click on Save As. In the Save As type drop-down menu, choose Outlook Template. You can then name your template according to the contents of your email. This will be your default folder for your saved templates. Press Save once finished. Next time you want to use your saved template, click on New Items, then More Items, and go for Choose Form option. In Login drop-down menu, choose User Template in File System. Here you will see all your saved email templates. Pick one needed and click Open. Make any desired changes before sending, add attachments if needed, and then click Send. If you find that this way is way too many steps for you, you can try another method, which in my opinion also works great. Click on File again, Save As, pick Outlook Template for file type again, and instead of saving wanted template in default Outlook folder, create separate folder on your desktop or documents folder, for example, and save it there. That way, you'll be able to open needed template from the folder directly, eliminating the need to navigate through the previously mentioned options in Outlook. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Please share it with your friends or colleagues who could benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more similar content. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.